Welcome back to Mini Course Lesson 6. In today's video, we're going to show how you can connect and integrate your chatbot with other tools to automatically send collected data to the database. You'll also find out the way to share your bot project with colleagues or friends so they can help you handle daily tasks. This lesson covers the following sections. Manage your team inside BotStar with Collaborator. Set up FashionBot to automatically send orders to personal email using emails to operators action. Integrate bot with existing tools using ZAPIER without coding skills required. Use WebView feature to display web page content inside chatbots. And finally is to manage the conversation with customer using BotStar live chat inbox. Now, let's start the course by inviting Monoco employees to join your bot project to divide the workload. To invite someone to be part of your team, they need to be a member of your organization first. Head to Team Account Settings in BotStar. Click on the plus member button. Fill in member's email, then save. Go to the Monoco bot. Click Settings, Collaborators and add them in. If you haven't added this member to your team before, then a message will appear to ask you to add this member to your team. Tick that box to continue the process. Edit the right of members by enabling or disabling function and features they can access inside the bot. All is done. Immediately that fellow member of Monoco Shop will receive an email with a direct shared link to access the bot like this. Next, you will learn how to automatically send notification email to bot administrator. That can be customer's information, part of the conversation, inquiries, or any available information. Specifically, in the Monoco bot, this action is set to transfer order details from checkpoint to email. Drag and drop send email to operator action into the flow, right behind block checkpoint. Fill in the email address in the To Address section. Next, fill in the email title. Email content to decide what information is needed to prepare and process the order. After this, the Monoco Shop administrator will receive an email notification like this. The next part of the course is using ZAPIER integration to transfer BotStar's checkpoint record to MAILCHIMP's. Before starting the integration process, you will need to have BotStar, MAILCHIMP, ZAPIER account, and existing data inside Monoco Bot's checkpoint field. Now, head to Bot Builder, Integrations, and turn the Zap on. Switch to the ZAPIER page. Choose BotStar and MAILCHIMP as the connected apps. Choose Action New Checkpoint Record for BotStar Trigger, and add Update Subscriber Action for MAILCHIMP. After that, click Use Zap to start the setting process. Select FashionBot, click on the Connect button. Click the Continue button. Select Live Environment, where the real customer data is collected. Choose the Fashion Order checkpoint in the Checkpoint section. Click Test Trigger and choose a sample to finish trigger settings. Next, this is the time to set up the template for MAILCHIMP. Connect with your MAILCHIMP account, where bot collected data will be sent to. Select the audience list in your MailChimp account, where BotStar's information will be updated inside it. Select the data that you want to send to MailChimp. Let's choose email as the data you want to pass through. Scrolling down, you'll see other categories, but they're all optional. Just skip these options for the time being. Choose to send a test to MailChimp, or click on Skip instead. Here is what we have in the MailChimp list. If you see that the test result matches your needs, then turn the Zap on to activate it. Perfect. We've successfully transmitted subscribers from a bot into MailChimp. In the next part, we will guide you on how to display a YouTube video inside your chatbot, without redirecting the customer to another tab. Let's start by dragging a block that has a button such as a button list, or a horizontal list block. Drag a WebView block and connect the block that has the button in the previous step to it. Then, the button will have its behavior as go to the next WebView block in the Property panel. Click Config WebView and insert the URL. Choose the display size as full. We set param YouTube URL value as a YouTube video URL, and set param button name as Go Back. Go to the Save WebView Data section. You will see there are only WebView current seconds as data that we can collect. Create a played seconds variable. Then, set the data WebView current seconds to variable played seconds. Let's test the result. In case you want to display another website content besides YouTube, please read our WebView document in the description for more details. The final section is all about using LiveChat Inbox, to add a human touch, and allow personal interaction in the bot. Go to the Messages inbox, and you will see all Monoco bot conversations on Facebook, and the website. The BotStar LiveChat Inbox is a dedicated tab, designed for you as an administrator, where you manage all the conversations with your customers manually, without leaving BotStar. Now, let's see how it works. As you can see, BotStar allows you to jump into a conversation, and easily answer questions from different channels in a minute. Alright, you've finished our lesson 6. The next lesson is very interesting, in which you can learn how to grow your bot and skyrocket your sales.